Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the essentials, power and connection. Make sure the soundbox is charged and paired. Once done, open the Paytm app and sign in as the merchant. Navigate directly to menu and select Soundbox to view paired devices. Tap the specific Soundbox entry to open its settings. This is where language options live. Doing this now avoids extra steps later, and it ensures you're modifying the right hardware profile for language changes. Once inside the device settings, locate language or audio preferences. It's commonly grouped with voice or audio options. Tap language, then scroll the list and choose the target language. You'll see regional variants in some cases. After selecting, press confirm or save so the app can push the change. The soundbox may download voice data. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or a stable mobile connection. Wait for the confirmation message that the device updated before closing the app. Finish by testing. Perform a small transaction or use the Soundbox demo to hear the new language. If it didn't change, restart the Soundbox and the Paytm app. Sometimes settings need a reboot to apply. Make sure firmware and app are updated before attempting a factory reset. Updates fix many problems. If still stuck, repair the device and repeat the language selection. Key troubleshooting tip: update app and firmware first, then reboot, because resets without updates often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.